it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a pocket letter swap that I did with Happy Mail Stamper. She has a channel here on YouTube. Before I jump into this, please guys subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So here's the pocket letter that I made for Joanne. Look how pretty. I used all these pretty little girly colors. So you could see in the front here, it's very rose-like themed on the paper here. And I added some washi and some bling on this one. You see the cute little bunny down here. On this pocket, I added a butterfly with the washi. I really like the saying on this one, lovely and free, so I kind of just put one little drop of bling down there. Then we got the shaker pocket. I did this one with just sequins instead of glitter, and I added some paper to the top because I find that this paper holds better than the washi, so I put that on the front and the back to top off over the stitching. Over here I added some of these butterfly stickers and I put a little bling gem up at the top. And then on the last row I kept it just very floral, very butterfly-like. Now on the flip side here I added some of these die cuts. I've been trying to mess around with the Cricut machine with these die cuts and I'm still fairly new. So I made some of these cute little teacups and it has like a cutout for a tea bag. And I just thought they were really cute, so I gave her a bunch of these. On the back of pocket 2, I included some butterflies. I also made some more die cuts here. Messing around, seeing what I could do. Here's just some plain little mason jars, and she could do what she likes, dress them up. And then in here, we got some butterflies. And there are unicorns as well. Can't really see it, but butterflies, unicorns, and mason jars. Down here, some washi samples, some sequin samples, bling samples, butterfly samples. And then down here, I made, which came out kind of cute, were some tags and a couple of other teacups. And I added, some part of a tea stain doily, just to give it a little effect, and I just thought these looked cute. On the edge here, I made her a little tassel with just some ribbon and lace trim, and I added that on the side here. And then I made her some other things here. I made her this little clip here, and it opens at the top like that. And then here's the other clips that I stuck in this package. This one I just will clip on the pocket letter itself. So I thought these looked really cute, these double. And then I made her a few rosettes. I had so much fun making these. They came out real cute. I've already packed them up for her. And she's also doing a birthday giveaway, and she's doing a memory decks card where you need to make one, and on the back I'll end up putting my information. Guys, this is what Joanne sent me, and she has a channel here on YouTube, Happy Mail Stamper. She mailed my pocket letter just like this. I couldn't wait, guys. I already opened it. I couldn't film it. I wanted to open it. And she put it in this pretty wrapping paper. And it had this beautiful, pink trim. I love it. So this was wrapped around it. Definitely going to be saving that. So here is the pocket letter that Joanne sent me. Happy Mail Stamper is her name on YouTube. I will link everything in the description box down below. This is so beautiful, Joanne. I so love it. I want to show you guys each and every pocket. So, obviously you can see she put washi down the side and a little piece of trim here. This first pocket has this cute little frog. It reminds me of spring, obviously. And it says, "Yep, this is great." Here she put my name and she wrote, "This is it," which I love. I love the little personalization. She put some bling here. It's so pretty. Another bling gem down there. On this pocket, she included this little clip, and I love this color so much. It reminds me of the ocean. she also gave me this card here, and it has a little clip inside with the bling and the embellishment. I love this paper clip. It is super cute. Now for this third row, she has Happy Mail down here and some cute washi. In this middle pocket is this beautiful shaker. So many sequins inside. I absolutely love it. And I love the little banner that she also put going across. On the last pocket in the second row, she put this little house, and it looks like wind coming around behind it. I don't know if you guys can see the threading here. So cute. I love the little trim she put up at top and on the bottom with the sequins. On this last row, it's this pretty paper, and it says Sunshine in My Heart. On the middle one here, she made this banner. I guess it looks like crepe paper, and it says It's the Little Thing. And she gave me this little clip attached to it with the sequin of a little flower at the very top here, embellishing it, looking real cute. And then on the last pocket, it says Fresh Flowers, 50 cents a bunch. This is so cute. I love planting flowers, and I love riding my bike. And I love how she put little black gem to bling out the wheels. Now let's take a look at the back. So in the very first pocket, she gave me this gigantic paper clip. I love it. Super adorable. Some bling here in this row, and I don't have any in this color, so that's kind of cool. In this pocket here, she gave me some more of this trim, and I love it. I love this. It's so beautiful for making tassels and other things. On the second row, first pocket, there's some Band-Aids here. It looks like some cherries or fruit are on here, not quite sure. And she gave me some tea, and I love tea. I love coffee, tea, hot chocolate, you name it. And this is a perfect way of trying new flavors. I never had this ginger, fennel, and cinnamon, so definitely bringing this to work tomorrow. On this last pocket in the second row, she sent me this cute little envelope here. It's stamped and says Happy Mail. And I guess it's sealed, guys. There's a little bit of adhesive, so she left it so I could open it. And inside, she has more of these cute little Happy Mails, and this is perfect. I love sending Happy Mail, and I think this is super cute. Now for the last row, she sent me here, it looks like a doily, again in this beautiful color. I do not have doilies in this color, and she sent me two, so that's really sweet here. In this middle pocket, what do we got here? We got some banner, flag type of things here. This is great for planners. I love it. It's great for even decorating a memory decks card maybe, journaling, you name it. And then in the last pocket, this sample of some washi. I love getting washi samples. And she put on this cute little tag and blinged it on out. I really love the backs of her pockets. The gingham here, it's so pretty. And great pocket letter, Joanne. Thank you so much. That's not it, guys. She also sent me these extra goodies. This is so sweet. She said this is for your boys here. And she sent me some truck and vehicle stickers. This cute little I just want to go ahead and open this, and it's so cute. She has some washi that says thank you on the back here. How cute is that? And I just want to see what this looks like inside. I'm curious. So this is definitely a pencil, and here is the little notebook. She made this little bookmark inside, which is super cute with the twine and the button, and she added this pretty flower. I guess it's paper or washi. I'm not even quite sure. The the trim here, and very sweet, very cute, and perfect for my purse. She also packaged me up this cute little paper clip with a banner on it, and again with the Happy Mail, but this time she put some glitter in the heart. It's hard to see, but it's so cute, and it says thank you. And I love it. It's so adorable. I love seeing how everyone creates their own embellishments. And then lastly, she sent me this pack of stickers, guys. All right, guys, that's it for today. Just wanted to jump on here and share these with you. I hope you enjoyed them. Definitely let me know in the comments down below. If any of you are interested in a swap, I'm always open. I find it so much fun. Don't forget, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.